Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying this viral sour cream cake that I seen on TikTok. It's lemon flavored, so you will need one of these. You'll also need some lemon extract along with some sour cream, eggs, butter, and I'm also going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. If you don't bake it all, make sure you have a bundt pan. Get you a bundt pan and make sure you get you a good spray. I use Baker's Joy, but you can use another one. They have other good ones. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, the first thing I did was crack my eggs into a separate bowl. I always use a separate bowl just in case a shell drops in, so it'll be easy to pick it out. Because if you lose an eggshell in that cake batter, you're not gonna find it. We're going to take 2 sticks of softened butter. Mine is a little melted. And we're going to add in our eggs. Take 8 ounces of sour cream and add 1 tablespoon of lemon extract. And I also added like half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. I meant to do half a tablespoon, but it ended up being more like a tablespoon. But I meant to do half a tablespoon, but it was still really good. So it really doesn't matter. We're going to mix that all the way in with the sour cream until it looks like this. And then we're going to add that in with our eggs and our butter. And then you're going to take a mixer. You could take a whisk or a hand mixer, anything. You can use a stand mixer, whatever. And we're going to mix the wet ingredients together. It should look like this when you're done. And then we're going to take our cake mix and add our dry ingredients right into that. And then we're going to mix that until it's mostly combined. This is how it should look. Take your mixer out and then you're just going to fold in the rest to make sure it's all mixed in. Make sure you got all the stuff at the bottom. Make sure everything is mixed in, okay? Now take your Baker's Joy, y'all. Spray your pan until you can't spray it no more, okay? Because you don't want that cake to stick. It's nothing like your cake sticking. I mean, it's still going to be good if it sticks, but I hate when my cake sticks. So I spray that pan like my life depends on it. And then we're going to add the cake batter in evenly. Now, I will say, like, this recipe is box mix. Like, this is my first time using a box mix for a cake in so long. And when I tell y'all, it was a little small. Like, it's gonna make a mini bundt, like a small bundt cake. Like, it's not gonna be like a full pound, like how a full pound cake looks, but it gets the job done. But bake it on 300 degrees around 40 minutes. Everybody's oven is different, so just watch it. And this is what it should look like. I always wrap my cakes when they come out the oven to like hold in the moisture to make it extra moist. So I put some saran wrap on it and I let it sit for 10 minutes before flipping it. And y'all, this is the moment of truth, y'all. Flipping a pound cake is so, well, this is not a pound cake, but flipping a cake in general is just so nerve-wracking. Like, no matter how many cakes you make, it's still stressful. But look, it came out smooth like butter. Okay, you got to spray that pan. You got to spray that pan. But look how pretty this is, y'all. Okay, ooh, I can't wait to make more box cake recipes. Ooh, I'm so excited. But yeah, this is how it looks. It came out so cute. And y'all, look how like soft it is. It's so soft. Super soft. So now we're going to make our glaze. I'm just using some powdered sugar. And then I'm going to like whisk it together, get the clumps out. And I'm using heavy cream. You can use heavy cream milk or half and half. My favorite to use is half and half. But I didn't have half and half, so I use heavy whipping cream. So you just mix that until you get the consistency that you want. And yeah, this is it. I add a little bit of vanilla extract too. Then we're going to pour that all over the cake. And y'all, this is it. Like, this was so easy. It took under like 10 minutes to prep, under an hour to cook. So if you're looking for like a really quick box recipe, I suggest you make this. Okay, it was really good, really moist. I'm gonna cut it in. I'm gonna cut into it for y'all so y'all can see what the inside looks like. And yeah. Look how good and soft and moist that looks, y'all. This cake was so good and moist. 10 out of 10 box cake recipe. I will try it again. Bye, y'all.